Congratulations! You finished editing your video and now you're ready to share it. Let's explore the different options to export and share your video available in Camtasia. First, we'll click on Export. Let's go over the different options to help decide which one will work best for your project. The Local File option will save the video to the folder selected on your computer. Here you can choose between different file types. An MP4 is a commonly used video format that can be uploaded to many video hosting websites and social media platforms. To access more advanced export options like frame rate settings or export dimensions, select Local File. The next option is Screencast. Screencast is a cloud-based option that allows you to upload your media files, share a link with others, and get feedback through conversations. This is a great option when you want to send a video link through email or a message, or when you have a draft of a video and you want someone to review it and provide feedback. Screencast can also save you time by creating a title and description for you using AI. Next on the list is the YouTube option. This allows you to upload your video directly from Camtasia to YouTube. Another option available is the Batch Exporter. Use the Batch Exporter to export a video in multiple formats. You can continue to edit in Camtasia while the Batch Exporter is running in the background. Click Other Destinations to view additional export options available in Camtasia. The last option we'll cover is the Export menu. Under this menu, you'll see some of the same options along with a few new choices. Export Selection allows you to export a segment of your video rather than the entire project. If you need a thumbnail from one of the frames in your video, select the Export Frame As option. This creates an image file based on the frame selected on the timeline. When you've added captions to your Camtasia project and you need them to accompany your video, the Export Captions option is especially helpful. If all you need is the audio from your video, select Export Audio. For more export options, including how to export interactive features or add a watermark to your video, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.